And of course, there's our MVP, Papa G, pulling onions.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Green onion. It's called green onion in the Papa G. It's called green onion too. So Papa G got an... Wow, the smell. Like on pot of cook down here. Wow. Basically, they're like the length of your torso, if not longer. And this is Papa G's little bed. And we say little because when we pass down some places in Papa G, and you see acres of this. It's crazy. So you pull up the whole thing, you don't leave a little piece in there?
I can plant it back.
So but what I see them do sometimes, they just pull up, they don't pull up everything.
I know. I can plant too. I want to grass it properly.
You want to start afresh?
You know, grass properly. That's why I have to weed it too
So,
much time.
Oh.
Somebody gave us some scallion just for cooking purpose. And I take a little out of it and set few roots.
Look at that.
And so I planted it. The roots they get so big, so I transplant them. And right now, I have a lot of sucker. These are the ones that I'm going to plant now.
Oh.
These are the fine ones. Joe take it one time, so I had these plants. And there's some up there. I have all over. So I can plant a bigger piece right now. And look at the amount that 2 stalk of scallion bring.
2 stalk of scallion. Wow. So Papa G, they can just start from, people can just start farming these things from what they get or what they buy.
Of course. Because even when you buy it at the market, if you want to let it catch, you just put it in some water for a few days and it start to grow the vein.
The root.
Yeah. If you can plant it as it is, but I'd rather put it in the water, catch the root, and then you start from there.
Mercy. Easy one too.
Yeah.
So you got into it just by saying, let me just put this down.
Yeah.
Anybody can do
You're
it.
living in the country, you don't have to buy all these things if you plant them.
That is it.
And see right now, I'm selling from it.
That is it. Mercy.
Right, and the price is good.
Awesome. So this is something you have to grasp properly?
Yeah.
What kind of tree is this, Papa G? Is that June plum? No, not mango, sorry. Not Julie.
Yeah.
I mixed up my J's. And this is the East Indian?
Yeah. And that one up there.
Whoa, it's blossoming? Hey, mercy, I'm gonna go. Just looking at Papa G and his scallions. Escallions. Shian, look like he's going for a morning walk, isn't Shian? Oh, you're gonna open the gate? The smell is so nice. I cannot. Daddy, you chop cane from down here, so? Yep.
I kill them.
Why you want to kill it out? What happened?
It's not doing well.
Not doing well? Worm eating it out. Mercy. I swear the little critters. Oh, but see Papa G. Oh, this is the little time bed, Daddy. Now you just get time from. You see people? I get it good now. I know say it's time. She and the people in my laugh for me. I'm gonna know say time. Look at Papa G and the sunrise, man. I should be exercising right now. But man, I couldn't resist this morning fresh air. Wow. I see the dew on that. See if you can see some of that dew, people. Beautiful. Beautiful. Man. Imagine the dew that used to fall before the flood. Because they never know rain, you know. So that dew was heavy. Yeah, it would have watered the soil, of course. One of Papa G contours that he did. So how much scallion are you planning to pull? 20 pounds? Oh, go on, man. Oh, you usually when you sell them something, you usually give them a little extra. Yeah. Yeah. You pump out the water, man. In order to do some pest control, I would like to get some tiki, but people, I don't know where to get those from. If you can let me know. Yeah. You put it in there, it stops the mosquitoes and stuff like that. You know that? Yeah. So in the comments, if you know where I can get some, I'd appreciate it.
River.
Which river? No, they sell them. Kind of river? Which river you? I'm not going to no river. Beautiful scallion. All right, let me see.
I beg Kerry them send up some.
Kerry? Uncle Kerry? Where would he get it from?
Yeah.
They have river down there?
And you mean a swamp?
But daddy, the ackee tree here so coming back, man.
No man, that's already.
It's gonna die. It's gonna die. Okay.
Some gas from the top.
Oh, you're gonna totally kill it because you don't want it. Trying to make sure I walking through the scallion bed. Said it's not grass properly, so he's gonna redo it. This is the East Indian tree that's blossoming. As I said, guys, we are new to country living now, so we don't have mature trees. All our stuff are new and young and coming up. This is 3 years now. Beautiful blossoms. We'll soon have some mangoes soon. This is the June plum tree that's close by. That's a poetry for decoration. Neeseberry and the ackee is doing its thing. Trust me. But here are the East Indian blossoms. I'm not a fan of East Indian mango, but I'm excited anyways. Because Sky loves East Indian mangoes. Let's not say that. Shion loves East Indian mangoes. Sky and I love Julie. But we'll eat it. So yeah. Awesome. So that's Papa G's bag there. With his scallion. Alright.
Really? I didn't even think about the video.
Gongo. Beautiful.
Did you look at the mango tree?
That's a quick update from us as to what's going on today. People, this looks like Oliver Escallion to me, but Papa G said this is a drop in the bucket, and I believe him. If I can get a video of some of the acres that I've passed sometimes, I'm going to insert it here. Have a good rest of day, guys, in the early morning. Look at that beautiful sunrise. Shion passing there. Look at that beautiful sunrise.